Now let us discuss question number 5. Line L is the bisector of angle A and B is any point on line L. BP and BQ are perpendicular drawn. So here I can write down that BP is perpendicular to or I will write down angle BPQ is equal to BPA is equal to 90 and angle BQA it is also equal to 90. This is given. We have to prove that triangle ABP or APB is congruent to triangle AQB, and also we have to prove that BP is equal to BQ, that is B is equidistant from both the arms of angle A. This we have to prove. So it is given, it is a bisector, so I can write down these two angles to be congruent. So this is given to us. So let us write down in triangle APB, and triangle AQB, angle BQA is equal to angle BPA. Given, both are 90 degree and it is given to us. Next thing, angle QAB is equal to angle PAB. Reason, L is bisector of angle A. So it implies these two angles to be congruent. So we can see that this angle congruent. Now either we have to prove that AP is equal to AQ or one more side. So if you see carefully, AB is the common one. I cannot show AQ is equal to AP because nothing is given, but I can see in the diagram that AP is the common side. So I will write down AB is equal to AB, which is common arm or common side. I will write down common side. Hence, we can write down triangle APB is congruent to triangle AQB by angle side test of congruency. Now with this, what can we write down? Property of congruent triangle is that corresponding sides are congruent. So it implies which is the remaining corresponding side? BP is equal to BQ. Hence, we have proved. What we have proved? That point B is equidistant from both the arms. Let us see the next question. Question number 6. In the given figure, AC is equal to AE, AB is equal to AD, this is given. Angle BAD is equal to EAC, this is given. We have to prove that BC, this side BC is equal to this side DE. You have to prove this. Now here we are studying, this problem is from triangles. That means these two sides can be proven congruent if we use the property of triangles, congruency of triangle. Now if you ignore this side, you can see two triangles. Which two triangles? ABC and ADE. And we have to consider those triangles only. So we will take triangle in triangle ABC and triangle ADE. It is given AB is equal to AD, AE is equal to AC, or rather AC is equal to AE. These two things are given to us. We need to prove the included angle to be congruent. But here only BAD is given congruent, not BAC. I have to prove BAC congruent to EAD. This angle is common for both the angles. If you see it carefully, for BAC and EAD, this angle is common. So what I will do? It is given that BAD is equal to EAC is given to me. What I will do? I will add angle DAC to both the sides. Angle BAD plus angle DAC is equal to angle EAC plus angle DAC. Now see it very carefully. BAD plus DAC is actually giving me BAC. Also, EAC plus angle CAD is giving me EAD. So I will write it as equal to angle EAD. What does it imply? If I consider this as 1, this as 2 and this is 3. So from 1 to 3 I can write down from 1, 2 and 3. I can write down that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ADE by SAS test of congruency. And since the two triangles are congruent, corresponding sides are equal. So I can write down that BC is congruent to DE, corresponding pair of congruent triangles or corresponding side of congruent triangle. Hence, proved. Copy it down. Now let us discuss question number 7. AB is a line segment and P is the midpoint. D and E are points on the same side of AB such that angle BAD is congruent to angle DAABE. This angle and this angle is congruent given. Angle EPA is congruent to DPB. This angle and this angle is given congruent. We have to prove that triangle DAP is congruent to triangle EBP and AD is equal to BE. So here clearly it is given which angle to be compared. So you will write down in triangle DAP and triangle EBP. Here if you see, this angle is congruent to this side is congruent to this, but I have to prove this complete angle congruent to this complete angle. Again, if you take the hint from the previous problem, this side is common. I can add to both of them. I'll get the bigger angles to be congruent. So I will use that thing only. Here, first of all, I will write down DAP is congruent to angle DAP, that means angle DAB is congruent to angle EBP. This is given. AP is equal to PB. Reason. What is the reason? P is midpoint of AB. This is also given to us. Now we have to prove only the last angle. Here if you see, angle EPA is equal to DPB. Here I will add, this is the trick we have to remember. We will add angle DPE to both the sides. So what we will get? Angle EPA plus angle DPE is equal to angle DPB plus angle DPE. Now see it carefully. Which angle DPB and DPE? This is giving you a bigger angle, which is BPE. Same APE and DPE is giving you this angle. So from this we can write down, in this particular case, angle DPA is congruent to angle EPB. So from 1 If I label this as 1, 2 and this as 3. From 1, 2 and 3, I can write down that triangle DAP is congruent to triangle EBP by ASA test of congruency. And what does it imply? Corresponding sides are congruent. So AD is equal to BE, corresponding pair of congruent triangles. Hence, proved. Yes, let us go for the next question. Question number 8. In a right angle triangle ABC, right angled at C, M is the midpoint of the hypotenuse, which is given. C is joined to M and produced to point D such that DM is equal to CM. Show that, and point D is joined to B. This is given. You have to show that triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD first. Second, DBC is right angle, that is it is equal to 90 degree. Then triangle DBC is congruent to triangle ACB. This you have to show. And finally you have to show that CM is half of AB. So very important question for 4 marks. So let us see how to solve. Here very first thing, triangle AMC and BMD, very easily we can prove them to be congruent. So we'll write down in triangle AMC and triangle BMD, AM is equal to BM and CM is equal to DM. Both the things are given. So this is given to us. Now, if you carefully see, this angle is congruent to this vertically opposite angle. So I can write down angle AMC is congruent to BMD. Okay, vertically opposite angle. Therefore, triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD by SAS test of congruency. This we have proven. So first part is proven. Now from this we can write down DB is equal to AC, corresponding pair of congruent triangle, which we are going to use it later on. Here angle DBC is right angle, we have to prove. Now here from this one more thing we can say that angle BDC is equal to, see, BDC is equal to ACD, or BDM also I can write down. To be more precise, BDM and ACM. Same reason, corresponding pair of congruent triangle. Now if you carefully observe, this angle and this angle, they are alternate angle. Hence, we can write down that BD is parallel to AC. Alternate angle property. If it is parallel, if DB and this is parallel, so what can I say? Sum of these two angles, angle DBC plus angle ACB is 180. Interior angle property, interior angle property, it is already 90 given to us. This is angle DBC, it is 180. So from this, what do we infer? DBC is equal to 90. Hence, we have proven the second part also. We have proven here the first part. Here we have proven the second part. I will write it here 1. Second we have proven. Now we have to prove DBC and ACB triangle. So in triangle DBC and triangle ACB, DB is equal to AC. I have proven this, so I will write it as A. So here I will write down from A. And also we have proven angle DBC is equal to angle ACB is equal to 90. We have proven. Then I am writing here. Then here BC is equal to BC, which is common side. Hence I can write down triangle DBC is congruent to triangle ACB by SAS test. So you can see I have proven the third part also. Now what is remained? From this I can write down that DC is equal to AB, corresponding pair of congruent triangle. Last part is left, CM. We know CM is half of DC because M is the midpoint, but DC is equal to AB, so half of AB, reason since DC is equal to AB. So hence you have proven the last part also. This is the third part which you have proven, and this is the fourth part which you were supposed to prove. So hence we have proved all the four parts. So here this exercise is completed. Very important question for 4 marks.